Yellow.
Hello.
Hello नहीं yellow.
Yellow. क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Yellow, nice. Whistle पड़ो.
CSK of the old.
वही बात करनी है आज. It's what we are going to discuss today. कि CSK एक पैर कवर में है, फिर भी जान बाकी है थोड़ी बहुत.
धोनी भाई तो आज बैटिंग को भी आ गए
भाई बैटिंग में थोड़ी और थोड़ा बहुत
जीते,
थोड़ा बहुत मार भी लिया भाई. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में, बताओ.
नहीं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ फिर भी जीत गए. धोनी बैटिंग करने के बाद भी जीत गए.
आई थिंक वो हम we'll analyze क्या हुआ आज, because वानखेड़े में स्कोर डिफेंड हुआ है with the due, so
right.
And also it was let's talk.
It's a little bit of a anomaly, if you can say. Wankhede in the due chasing side, and the ball was gripping here.
या ड्राई बॉल था ना वो. बटलर के 6 के बाद चेंज किया इन लोग ने.
हाँ,
तो
ये बोल रहे थे कि this is the same pitch that the game that Morris hit that last 6 against Delhi to win it, playing in the same game. तो वो भी I think 150 odd wicket था. तो अगर उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो CSK batted really well. अगर if you can come to that conclusion, it's very difficult, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कितने साल से CSK को not really seen them bad out of the skins. So I think that is the first thing let's discuss that, right? पहली चीज, CSK lost the toss and they were put into bat by Rajasthan Royals. I don't know if they sort of read the pitch correctly or not, or they were going with the last game's result where sort of Morris chased that total. So yeah, we'll speak about it. First batting, they scored 188 for the loss of 9 wickets. Rituraj Gaikwad, struggling still. Even when the ball was coming really good on the bat, he was not able to time it or middle it, or just playing wrong shots, forcing the issue basically. हमने देखा 2-3 बार he's out and tried to sort of just maro, just कौन था Bura was batting like Bhura. But Faf du Plessis, who actually was Bhuvan, who's bats like Bhuvan actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
He bats
like high back.
Yeah. He scored a quick fire 33 of 17 balls. Very unlike Faf. Sometimes कभी-कभी उसके अंदर ये आत्मा आ जाती है. कभी-कभार मारता है वो. He Moeen Ali are that number 3 promotion is looking really good for them. आता है, doesn't waste time, accelerates and goes. Sticks or accelerates. I mean, there's no confusion about his game right now, which is really good. और England को confusion होने वाला है ये in the World Cup, whether to play him at 3, whether to get Alex Hales, but that's another debate.
Hales needs to win trust, it seems.
Yeah, and he can, bowling bhi kiya aaj Moeen ne achhi, so of course that advantage he also has. Again, the rest of the batting, it's just like CSK. No star performer or anything. It's just Suresh Raina 18, Moeen 26, Ambati 27, MS 18. Bravo in the end accelerated. Bravo, I don't think they're using Bravo enough. I mean, batting maybe or bowling maybe.
Bravo ne surprise kiya yaar. I was not expecting him to
Bravo
get that.
Bravo has done all this before. Bravo.
Yeah, but way before.
Way before. Last season mein to kahin
Dhoni has always been sending him out so late, even in the last year. But
if we have to talk about CSK's the whole batting, ऐसा लग रहा है कि जो उन्होंने 10 बैट्समैन या 9-10 बैट्समैन जो खिलाने का जो अभी तक का सोचा है ना, वो आज अच्छे से सेट हुआ है. क्योंकि अगर तू देखेगा, because the highest score is what, 33 from Faf du Plessis.
Yeah.
Still they managed to score some 188 runs. This is something different, right? I mean, one thing is Faf du Plessis that, like you mentioned, क्योंकि ऋतुराज स्ट्रगल कर रहा था और कर भी रहा है अभी. और तो फाफ डुप्लेसिस के साथ वो एक सीन, मोइन अली लाइक यू सेड अगेन कि इज कमिंग इन स्टॉकिंग द बॉल अवे. सुरेश रैना थोड़ा सा एक प्रॉब्लम है. नॉट टू फॉरगेट अंबाती रायडू का जो इनिंग था, दैट वाज क्विक, दैट वाज वेरी क्विक and
160
17
ball 27.
17 ball 27. So that was also quick one, and I think that was an acceleration for CSK. That allowed MS to come up as well, and MS also took some time, not some time, like 17 ball 18. So I think वो जो 10 बैट्समैन खिलाने वाला जो सीन था ना उनका, वो आज अच्छे तरीके से पेड हुआ है, because in 188 you see some, at least 150 you see, right? It's nothing like your highest run scorer is 33.
Yeah. No, I get that. That's all fine. But, again, Vignesh, that's the entire thing what Vikas was saying कि अभी वो जो strategy के साथ खेल रहे हैं with 10 batsmen, 11 batsmen. I think this is the proper way to go about it. I think कि आओ and just go for it, right?
Right. CSK ना चाहते हो, I don't think this is by design कि उन लोग 10 बैट्समैन खिला रहे हैं या जो हैं, मतलब these are their best players they believe from their squad, and in a sense it is like England's T20 team, मतलब Adil Rashid coming in at number 10 kind of a scenario. So that is maybe even if MS का आज का जो 17 बॉल था, maybe it's an investment in the long run IPL के अगले मैचेस के लिए. Since last season उसे ऐसे मतलब even though he wasted deliveries, but CSK ended up losing those games. So उसने उतना confidence खुद के गेम में दिखाया नहीं. But as far as Moeen Ali is a big catalyst CSK के लिए, coming in at number 3 and starting right there. तो and अंबाती रायडू बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग अप्रोच है उसका ये सीजन में. पिछले मैच में ही मतलब ही गॉट आउट पहले ही बॉल पे आई गेस फालतू कुछ शॉट खेलने गया, बट देयर इज एन अप्रोच मेथड.
We were also speaking Vignesh कि इसको ऊपर भेज सकते हैं. Do you think still that question arises कि अंबाती should open या it's this? I mean, आज की performance को देख के you think it's fine? Rituraj should continue.
Rituraj I don't think will continue. Either Uthappa might replace him. Otherwise, मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि maybe Moeen Ali at 3. Moeen Ali open with Faf, Raina at 3 and Raidu at 4. Raidu at 5 is a wasted opportunity. And in place of Rituraj, I'll bring in Gautam. तो आपका जो तो आपका वो 10
I was also right. I was also gonna say that.
So, I just have a confusion, guys. If you can clear me, अगला game they're playing in Mumbai या अगला game they're shifting because other teams
they're
are now
playing in Mumbai. I think this was the last game. Just a minute.
Because some teams that have played in their grounds still now are continuing in the next game as well. I'm not sure.
Yeah, it's Mumbai. It's again in Mumbai.
It's again in Mumbai.
CSK are playing 5 games, I believe.
Yeah. It's again in Mumbai. But what Vignesh said was, I think, because you want to use Ambati Rayudu even more, with more efficiency. So if you can get him up the order and you can use someone like Krishnappa Gautam down the order, I mean, just to accompany, those
बैटिंग तो खत्म होगी नहीं सीएसके की, किसी को भी ले आओ बैटिंग नहीं जा रही है. एवरीबॉडी बैट्स.
सीएसके के पास एक्स्ट्रा बैलेंस पड़ा हुआ है ऐसा लगता है.
हां, सब थोड़ा-थोड़ा बैटिंग करते हैं, सब थोड़ी-थोड़ी बॉलिंग करते हैं.
सब थोड़ा-थोड़ा बॉलिंग करते हैं.
I think it's a very
just that on their day.
Yeah, it's on their day. I think वही क्वालिटी की कमी है. I think this is the most opposite franchise to Sunrisers Hyderabad, if you can call it like that. मतलब इसमें every guy has a little bit of a contribution. Sunrisers में there are 4-5 prime people who always contribute and they win. I think it's just the opposite.
Even Rajasthan for that matter is मतलब सारे के सारे 3D players ही हैं Rajasthan में.
Yeah, 3D players. Don't use that term here, please.
Think they have batting depth, but what they have is Shivam Dube. What they have is Rahul.
What was the decision before, what was the decision of sending Shivam Dube ahead?
But he's been coming in that position, bhai.
He's coming in at number 4.
He's coming in that position.
Someone like David Miller was just scored half century in the last game.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. मेरे को भी वही लग रहा था, but that's a decision they have made कि अभी उसको भेज, क्योंकि they've drafted him, of course they've got him on a transfer. I think they bought him in the auction.
No, they bought him. They bought him in the auction. They bought him on the auction.
ये गलती उन्होंने auction में की.
Yeah, and
you won alumni, the one RCB alumni that we don't worry about.
Yeah, you don't worry about. I know. I think कुछ
RCB ने बहुत बहुत सही काम किया है।
It's very speculative, but मेरे को लग रहा है इसका भी कुछ जुगाड़ है भाई, विजय शंकर टाइप. Like all these 3D players have some जुगाड़ or the other.
इससे
But,
बेटर तो यार वो यशस्वी जायसवाल है यार, मतलब हद है यार।
और श्योर यार, यशस्वी का लास्ट ईयर हमने देखा था, मे बी
He
नॉट
struggled,
रेडी फॉर.
definitely struggled. हाँ,
ट्राई तो
true.
करना चाहिए. लास्ट ईयर मतलब
Try
लग
तो
रहा था
करना
कि इज नॉट अप फॉर इट, मतलब ही स्टिल नॉट रेडी ऐसा लग रहा था, स्पेशली T20 जैसे फास्ट फॉर्मेट के लिए. But,
यार इससे बेटर वो महिपाल लोमरो.
who is
और sorry,
Mahipal Lomro, right? Mahipal, yeah.
Bowling wise, Rajasthan Royals, Sakaria still impressing. You know, great bowling action यार. I love that guy यार. जितना उसको देखो उससे you know प्यार होता जा रहा है उतना ज्यादा. What a great attitude यार. और स्टेयर वेयर भी करने लगा है अब तो.
Good competitor, very good competitor.
Staring, bhai, he's staring. That kid is staring now. And Saurashtra cricket is in a good place, man. You know, just
true.
Good guys come.
But
No,
RR lineup मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि या फिर RR की पूरी टीम they somewhere live in their la la land की, मतलब no matter how much you hit we are able to chase. Yeah. But that is not true.
Yeah.
I don't think 2018 के बाद Josh Butler has come up with a match-winning innings for them. Even in last season, mostly जब game खत्म हुआ, then he has chipped.
Let's not talk about Josh here because we need to talk about Sanju Samson. And you know, after the first game, we praised him like we always do after the first game in every season of the IPL. But again, Samson is turning into Scamson. Yeah, man. I mean, it's every year, bro. It's every year.
Samson or Scamson.
Every year it's happening, na? And consistency ke saath, and we're picking it up for the last 4 years now. Ki this has happened.
Yeah, and actually, there was a stat. So Sanju Samson's average in first 3 matches in the IPL is 67, and the rest of the matches is 16.
Oh.
16 is way too. I mean,
nahi, matlab that is not even like pata nahi kya hai. Because अगर हर साल नहीं होता ना, तो we can say कि this is a one-off या ऐसा हो जाता है, just bad season. But there has to be a reason behind this here. कि कुछ तो है. Either he loses focus or you know he prepares really well before coming into the tournament. क्योंकि हमको वो दिखता है, you know, even on social media, he prepares really hard before coming into every IPL. और कैप्टन का प्रेशर नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि हर साल ये है, मतलब you know it's every year now, and I don't know, man. It's time that he comes good, or the shots he falls to, he gives up his wickets to, the balls. It's not like they are wicket taking deliveries. He throws it away every time, right?
Samson का अगर आप starting के दो ball देखो, then you will understand कि if he is in for the long haul or what is it. The first ball उसने शायद आज leave किया, and you know he was not sure कि leave करना चाहिए कि ये करना चाहिए. Then you get a feel. If you have followed Samson, you'll know the Samson things.
He followed another guy. जो मतलब थोड़ी सी पहले मैच में उसने expectation थोड़ी raise की थी. His name is Jaydev Unadkat. He's back to his best, right?
Yeah. I was pretty sure that, I mean, he's just like first match wonder. It's not just one match wonder. It's first match wonder.
Yeah. So I have a stat over here. Okay, guys, I have a stat over here. Most times conceding 40 plus in IPL, like the bowlers who have conceded 40 plus runs, most number of times in a 4-over spell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6 guys over here. 3 of them have conceded 40 plus runs more than 14 times. One has conceded 15 times, one has conceded 16 times, and the most number of person who has created, you know, sort of conceded more than 40 runs in the IPL has done it 17 times. So, guess karoge? Who has done it 17 times?
Guess.
एक मिनट.
I'll give you 2 options each. Okay, 2 options. कोई नहीं team का. This is a stat where the bowlers has conceded 40 runs or more in a spell. How many times he has conceded that? This guy has conceded 17 number of times. Who's number one? Okay, that's your option number 1, which is wrong. The second one?
Umesh Yadav.
Oh, Vix, क्या है यार? तेरे साथ क्या है खुजली भाई? तू पहले आंसर कैसे दे देता है यार ऐसे?
Wow.
Yes.
क्या बात?
Umesh.
Umesh.
Good one.
Umesh ही
Good
है.
one.
Umesh ही है. Okay, so he's done it 17 times. Umesh Yadav. भाई याद है, मन आरसीबी फैंस ट्रॉमा है, पीटीएसडी बोलते हैं ना, वो लगता है अभी मेरे को आरसीबी फैंस के साथ उमेश
No
को
wonder
लेकर.
he's
Why he
warming the
was
bench.
like on one day, like he was like ready to give 26 runs to MS Dhoni in the last over, man. I mean, how can you do that? 26, 24 runs. How can you not?
पहले से ऐसे लगा मुझे पता, क्योंकि तू कितनी बार रो चुका है इस बारे में.
Even if it's not, even if it's Dhoni, even if it's Maxwell, Russell, AP de Villiers, but 26 is too much.
I know 26, and Umesh Yadav has been guilty of this. इसलिए हुआ था ना लास्ट 1-2 साल में, they are bowling him in the first 6 overs, 3-4 ओवर निकाल देते थे उसके in the first 8-10 overs. Okay, just to give the other names, 16 times Balaji has done it. He is considered more than 16 times, which is a very big surprise. I know.
Yeah.
I know. मेरे को भी ये जब मैंने देखा तो I was a little surprised on that. Mohammad Shami has done it 15 times, which happened yesterday
Big
also.
Names.
Yeah.
8.8 की उसकी economy rate है मोहम्मद शमी की. Not an impressive IPL bowler.
Yeah, not that. But last year बहुत अच्छी bowling कराई थी उसने. Maybe I thought he turned the tide. India के लिए भी अच्छी bowling करा रहा था T20 में. Maybe.
Yeah. I mean, there is Mohammad Shami 1 and Mohammad Shami 2 for, two for us.
कल तो मोहम्मद शमी was like मेरे को फील्ड से निकालो.
कल ही lost it. कल ही lost it.
उसको निकालो. कैच भी आया, वो घूम रहा है हवा में. But yeah, the other guys. So Shami has done it 15 times. The other 3 guys are joint at 14. Okay. One is of course because we were speaking about Jaydev Bhai. He's done it 14 times now. अगर ये सीजन खेला तो I think 17 क्रॉस होने वाला है. अगर ये सारा सीजन पूरा खेला वो तो I think 3 बार तो होगा. और then again the 2 other guys are Mishra and Ishant Sharma.
So, यार सारी
and Ishant Sharma.
Yeah, and this record is for Indians, boys. So I just want to clarify that this is just for the Indians. I'm not sure about
because I don't think so कि बाकी और कोई इतना लंबा रन खेला भी होगा.
नहीं खेला नहीं होगा. नहीं, अगर खेला भी होगा तो उनको रिटेन नहीं की.
No, if someone is giving 40 runs,
yeah,
so
they won't retain him. There's no chance.
एक सुंदर का मैंने बहुत सरप्राइजिंग स्टैट देखा था यार. अराउंड 90 T20 इंटरनेशनल्स दैट बॉय हैज प्लेड एंड सिर्फ एक बार उसने 50 प्लस रन्स कंसीड किए. सम स्टैट.
Yeah, no, he is economical. Sundar is economical.
Very economical.
Yeah. Stump to stump भी डालता है. मतलब वो है उसका कि if you the batsman misses, he will hit. So मतलब बैट्समैन इसलिए उससे डर के खेलते थोड़ा. एक और है most IPL wins with 45 plus runs. CSK equaled MI today.
अच्छा. Oh.
Okay.
Both are at 16 number of wins with 45 plus runs. Number 3 पे RCB है at number 10. यार हम लोग RCB के इतने अच्छे स्टैट्स डिस्कस करते हैं. So surprising कि RCB अभी तक कुछ सब्सटैंशियल किया नहीं है IPL में.
But ये सारे विन्स उनके नॉकआउट में नहीं आते ना, यही प्रॉब्लम है.
And highest win percent against Rajasthan Royals. So CSK leads that by like a mile. They've won against Rajasthan 62.5% of their games.
वो actually वो पहला वाला दिल को ले लिया माई भाई ने. जो पहला वाला 2008 वाला शेनमोन के साथ जो हारा था.
हाँ.
उसके बाद से छोड़ नहीं रहा है.
इनसे तो नहीं हारूंगा. बाकी कुछ भी कर लो.
So win percent against Rajasthan, CSK is number 1, 62.5. KKR is done as number 2. 54.55, 53.85 is SRH, and 50% is Mumbai Indians. So
yeah, guys. So let's, I think, अपना मेन मुझे लगता है कि आज बात करने के लिए जो है माई भाई. Let's talk about माई भाई.
माई भाई के बाद एक चीज मेरे को one start I want to give you more. Just a second. Yeah. So this is the stat. Highest percentage of IPL dismissals on single digit scores. Okay. And this is for people who have at least made 2,500 runs in the IPL. Right? Highest percentage of IPL dismissals on single digit scores. मतलब कि single digit में कितनी बार out हुआ है. So I'm just introducing the stat because Samson entered it. Samson, yeah, he entered at number 5 today. his percentage is 37.5%, which is a lot by.
Lot.
अगर तू किसी भी
It's a
टॉप
lot.
क्रिकेटर का रिकॉर्ड निकाल के देख ले, their single digit dismissals won't be close to 20%. मतलब कि 20% मतलब extraordinary players जो कभी कभार नहीं चलते हैं, there are certain difficulties against certain bowlers, उनका होगा. 37.5% is Sanju Samson. All the other guys are, you can say, you know, people who come and tonk. Like it's easy for them to get out in the, you know, in single digits. So Pollard is at 38.8%. Dinesh Karthik is 39.2%. Is at number 3.
That is also huge.
It's huge, but Dinesh Karthik हमेशा middle order player रहा है ना, मतलब, और वो खुद को push करता है भाई lower middle order में.
बट मुझे ये स्टैट से उतनी परेशानी नहीं है जितना मतलब अगर आप सेटल होके या फिर बॉल्स वेस्ट करके आउट हो, जैसे कि फॉर द मैटर शिवम दुबे जैसे
करेंटली अभी इसके हिसाब से. बट यार, बट इफ यू कंपेयर इट विद एनी, अगर सैमसन का देखा जाए, इफ वी रियली सॉर्ट ऑफ आर कंसीडरिंग हिम कि अगर वो बहुत टॉप बैट्समैन है, और हम लोगों ने फर्स्ट मैच में बात भी किया था कि यू नो विकास वाज सेइंग कि अगर रोहित शर्मा जैसी क्लास या टच किसी के पास है तो इट्स संजू सैमसन. और I mean, this is not obviously a desirable result, right? 37.5% in single digits is not good enough. Number 2 पे Yusuf Pathan with 40%.
Understandable.
Yusuf, yeah, that's also understandable. Number 1 थोड़ा सा surprise है, or you can call it not that big of a surprise also. You want to guess? नहीं, मैं नहीं, he's not. Country का नाम बताता हूँ, guess करना. न्यूजीलैंड का.
ठीक है. Guptill.
McCullum.
McCullum has bus Vikas, don't boost about him.
We have a genius.
Yeah, भाई विकास खट भाई 2-3 दिन से मैं देख रहा हूँ, क्या प्रोटीन शेक में क्या ले रहा है भाई साथ में तू.
डर्क नैनस कैसा था? डर्क नैनस कैसा
खतरनाक था. So McCullum is 40.4%. He's gone in single digits. Yeah, just some stats I wanted to share with you today, relevant to today's games. मतलब कि Samson is coming to that, and Mr. Yes, Sir Jaydev Unatkar बना लगे उसको. नहीं?
Not yet.
अभी टाइम है. भाई जडेजा का क्या सीन था ना?
उसने बैटिंग में थोड़ा इंटेंशन दिखाया है.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. लास्ट मैच में भी खेला था वो, बैटिंग में छक्का मारा था, पुल किया था. आई थिंक रबाडा को पुल किया था, किसको किया था आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. किसी को
रबाडा को पुल किया था भाई.
वोक्स को पुल किया था. या तो या सो मतलब जडेजा का क्या था, हम लोगों ने सर, यू रिमेम्बर जडेजा, वी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग सर, या एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग हिम सर एज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ साइन ऑफ ट्रोलिंग,
एज अ जोक.
Sarcasm.
As a joke.
Yeah, it wasn't meant to be like, you know, respectful, but
now Jadeja, I genuinely call him sir.
But
now
Jadeja,
genuinely.
Yeah. True.
He took 4 catches today, man. He took 4 catches. What a complete player. 2 catches, 4 catches, 2 wickets, and again, I mean, I guess scored some runs as well.
Put some runs to
he was everywhere.
क्या
हवे की तरह था. He was everywhere.
Everywhere यार. और जडेजा मतलब यार, let's say they're playing with 12 people on the field, like he's so good in the field यार. और मतलब half chances मतलब teams के पास आते हैं, जडेजा के लिए half chances नहीं होते. Like it's 0 or 100 है मतलब उसके लिए.
Right.
Either it's, you know, it's a wicket, or it's, you know, he's doing something good anyway. RR batting collapse, 143. For 9.
So yes, मेरे लिए तो प्रॉब्लम शिवम दुबे से ही था, नंबर 4 पे, and the writing was on the wall when he played around 15 balls. Okay, so before that,
Vignesh, sorry to interrupt you, bhai. 3 reason दे रहा हूँ, मतलब you can say that it's a combination of reasons of why RR is struggling. In the terms of, firstly is just bad batting. Second is really good bowling today by by CSK. और तीसरा is MS's captaincy. I mean, बैटिंग कम बची है, but ये कहीं नहीं जाता.
Right. So, but you know, yeah, when RR were facing CSK, so Mahika captaincy, obviously you have to counter. Matlab that is on the table. He will be pulling rabbits out of the hat from anywhere. So teams have to be ready for that. CSK की bowling, matlab to give due credit, इतने tough conditions में when they expected dew, so they started spinning out of nowhere. The dry ball helped them after that Butler का 6. But सिर्फ यार Butler कितना ही मारेगा? ठीक है, मतलब Samson failed, which was a big setback. But you know, a set batsman, so-called set batsman, playing around 15 to 18 balls, struggling to move his feet around. Against Jadeja, यार, he was caught in the crease. मतलब how come you price? A bigger mystery for me as compared to Vijay Shankar playing for India. Shivam Dubey is a bigger mystery. And उसके बाद मतलब they surrendered यार. David Miller, who was fresh off of 50, he looked all at sea against Moeen Ali. And that was MS, right? Seeing Miller come in, Moeen Ali को बुला लिया. He was waiting for that moment.
Yeah.
And Miller knew कि मतलब it's impossible to survive that over. So RR made the chase look impossible when it was absolutely possible for them. But I don't think मतलब ऐसे batting lineup रख के, if not for individual brilliance, they can go long in the tournament.
For sure, yeah,
Tough
for
road.
sure. Because again, MS brilliance today because you know, जैसे
Yes.
अगर
yes,
pitch
yes.
थोड़ी सी भी turn हो रही है, and MS has you know more than half decent spinners with him, वो छाती पे चढ़ जाता है क्यों? Chasing अगर कोई अगर उसको run रोकने को
MS, I think Moeen Ali was the last bowler you know उनके slot में से सबसे आखिरी bowler Moeen Ali निकाला, and that guy took 3 wickets on the same, like वहीं पर 2 wicket लिए back to back. I think
the long boundary
MS
again
and
using the angles,
exactly
using the angles,
exactly.
yeah, everything, yeah.
It's MS and you are not surprised by the captaincy. At least you are just not surprised, and that's why I think we also talk less about it. But it's against MS brilliance as well, and the way he's using Moeen Ali, that the credit has to go to MS for this Moeen Ali. You know, because you know you're dropping your best batsman Suresh Raina to number 4 to fit in Moeen Ali at number 3. This is some kind of a big risk, I would say. क्योंकि जैसे सुरेश रैना यार हमने उसको पहले से देखा है कि 3 नंबर पावर प्ले का भी यूज कर लेता है जब अगर जरूरत पड़े तो, लेकिन वो एक 3 नंबर पर भेजना और द वे ही इज बॉलिंग, लास्ट टाइम भी आई गेस उसने एक विकेट ले लिया था जब पंजाब के साथ मैच था. मोइन अली को लाता है, मोइन अली स्टंप टू स्टंप रख के जाहिर रिचर्डसन का आई गेस विकेट लिया था. सो अगेन इन टुडेज गेम देयर वर सम बिग नेम्स इन द मॉरिस का एक विकेट था, रियान पराग का भी एक विकेट था आई गेस. तो या the credit has to go to MS again.
Yeah, credit goes to MS for sure यार. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि एक बॉलर पे डिपेंडेंट है. दीपक चाहर conceded 32 today. Last game he was the you know go to guy for MS. So it's just it's everything. MS hasn't lost it भाई. जो भी है.
And obviously.
एंड मुझे एक और चीज लग रहा है कि रायना को इन लोग शायद नंबर 4 पे खिला के उसे बचा रहे हैं क्वालिटी पेसर से. हर बच्चे को अभी पता है कि रायना को इफ यू हैव टू यू नो काउंटर हिम तो कीप बॉलिंग द शॉर्ट बॉल्स एंड देन रायना लुक्स कंप्लीटली एट सी. तो मे बी मतलब सिंस द पेसर्स अप फ्रंट विल बी डन विद मोस्ट ऑफ द ओवर्स, शायद मिडिल ओवर्स में रायना. So even there is the tactical genius of MS Dhoni.
Yeah, 100% tactical genius, and it's the whole team, right? It's MS plus Stephen Fleming. And because I was just watching another sort of this interview from this guy, Shane Watson. And Shane Watson said that he has played for 20 years in his career with Australia, with other teams, with Big Bash in the IPL. And he has never come across a better coach than Stephen Fleming in his career. So that gives a real idea about where CSK plans, start from. MS is.
He himself was a genius then.
He was
Fleming.
Yeah. उस समय भी न्यूजीलैंड कोई टॉप टीम नहीं थी, but
टॉप टीम नहीं थी. Or a handsome cricketer. I mean, the tall guy.
Okay, so we are ending this. I don't want your crush about Stephen Fleming coming out in the open, but CSK, can they move on from here and can they sort of launch a good top 4 challenge? Vignesh, in one word, yes or no?
Yes, couple of changes needed to tweak and fine tune the team. If done, then surely yes.
Plus, are we changing our
Uh,
pre-tournament stances already after 3-4 games each?
Well, it's more because of the other teams, but yeah, CSK is not finishing 8th, I guess.
Huh?
Yeah, because I mean last time I told you about Mumbai Indians कि जो उन्होंने Mumbai Indians थे उनके favorable conditions जो चेन्नई नहीं है उसमें भी 3 मैचेस में से 2 मैचेस जीत चुके थे. ठीक है. Same goes with Chennai as well.
Same goes with
Chennai भी
Chennai.
जो
Exactly.
yeah. So Mumbai not their stronghold I will say उनके टीम बिल्ड के लिए या फिर इसके लिए तो उसके हिसाब से जो अभी तक के जो मैचेस हुए हैं उस हिसाब से आई थिंक चेन्नई हैज एन एज ऑलरेडी.
I think they will take it down to the wire for sure. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि मतलब ऐसे इतना तो लग रहा है अब कि ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा कि 8th में फिनिश करेंगे and they will be demolished और केवल 3-4 गेम जीतेंगे सीजन में वैसा जैसे हम लोग को पहले लग रहा था because एक पैर कबर में और एक पैर बाहर ऐसी बात कर रहे थे हम लोग जो. But that's clearly not happening. I mean, there is some sort of revitalization going in CSK for sure. Yeah, all right, guys. Another game. धोनी का नया brand Revital. Yeah, another comfortable win in the IPL for CSK. They beat the Rajasthan Royals by 45 runs. Bringing them into contention for this year's top honors back again. MS's captainship shown again. Team contribution as CSK always does. Yeah, we'll see how things go for them and for Rajasthan Royals because let's not count Rajasthan Royals out yet. But no.
if at all Sanju Samson.
Yes, it's very essential for Sanju Samson. Like every year. If he clicks, Rajasthan will again.
They don't have Stokes.
Double S is very important.
Archer is coming the next game. Archer is coming. I think next game Archer will be available for the next game. I think.
ऐसे स्टार्टिंग में बोला था कि he'll miss first 4 games, but उसके बाद कोई अपडेट नहीं है यार उसके अवेलेबिलिटी के बारे में.
You know, I have been Rajasthan Royals fans. He was really adamant about Rajasthan's chances, like कि अभी तो हार गए ठीक है बट लास्ट ईयर का एमवीपी आना बाकी है अभी सो ही इज रियली कॉन्फिडेंट इन दैट वे तो मतलब ही इज सेइंग लास्ट ईयर सो लेट मी ट्रस्ट हिज वर्ड या we'll see you soon guys. Thanks for joining me and again another great chat. See you in the next game.
Take care. Bye.